lee anya ka ịfụ ife Seaman na-eme na ndị obi, ka ịfụ ife Seaman bumatara na ndị obi. That shows you that na all the possible ime ala Igbo ka ọ dị ka Lagos. That shows you that all the possible ime Anambra State ka ọ dị otu aha nnọchasị buru izu material. Ọ bụghị iwu ị aga Lagos to open a company and make profit. Ọ bụghị iwu ị ga na-aba or no Port Harcourt. Look at what the man is doing in Nnobi, producing rice in Nnobi. That shows you that now you have an opportunity in your life to start from where you are. Seaman is doing it in Nnobi. So can you reason from where you are? The company is functioning and they are producing a lot of bag of rice. This kind of company in Anambra State, like 3 or 4 places in Anambra State, and we find out more job opportunity, a great job for people around the world, people around Anambra State. Okay, let's hand all those young guys, young women now buy into immorality. Because so everything we feel them, you get no time for any immorality. So I must say very big thank you to Seaman Company for doing the needful in Nnobi, for telling people that it is possible. They are producing bag of rice in Nnobi. So other community in Anambra State or other Igbo land should look after what Seaman is doing in Nnobi. They should learn from the man, because it is not easy. It is not easy to have a functionable company in East. It is not easy to have a company that is working very hard to satisfy women's need. So Seaman has done it. So it's not left for other people that wish to do it to start. Because if you join hands together, we can build a very big Igbo community. Look at what Seaman is doing in Nnobi and emulate from Seaman. Share the video. Share the video.